Alright, we have this cool box here, and this is a GigBAR 2. It's really cool. So we're going to dip in this box right now and check it out and see what you have inside of this box. So as we vibes, let's go down inside this box and see what's going on. Alright, let's open here. Alright, so I can see a box. Inside the box here is a blue box. Chauvet DJ Vids is blue boxes, you know. So let's see what things. Let's pull out this blue box inside here. Trust me, it's very heavy. And this is your GigBAR. And I'm just going to turn it around to get another shot at the back here. Alright, so this is Chauvet DJ GigBAR 2. So let's go down in here and get the pieces out so we can take a really good look of this GigBAR. Got more boxes inside this box. Alright, so we have 3 pieces here. We're going to put this down here and let's go inside the bag first. Let's see what's inside this. Comes with a really cool, nice bag here. So we got a nice bag here. Yeah, nice, very slim, easy to move with, very well balanced, cool bag, you know. Yeah, it's about 4 feet tall, maybe 4.5. Yeah. So it's cool. Alright, let's get inside it and see what's going on. Let's go inside this bag. So let's put this down this way. Whoa. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful piece right here. Yeah. Beautiful piece. Wow. Yep. Very nice. So this is your lights here with your lasers. And I like the package. I like how everything sits down nice inside this case right here. Well fitted. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I love that. Alright, so this is what inside of the case. This is the GigBAR here. And let's go inside of this little boxes and see what we got. Close down the GigBAR for a second. Let's go inside this box. Okay. So we have the foot control right here. This is auto, this is music, and this is color. This is the different colors here, and this is backup. So it's really cool. I like that. Very, very cool piece of foot gear. You have a little remote here. Not a little remote, but a antenna. So it's got a little antenna here. You can pull that up and you have a little switch right here. And switches. And yeah, it's cool. It's not much to it. It's nice. So let's put this down here. Let's see what else we got. We got a guidebook with the remote. And yeah. Remote, very small. Yeah, very small. Got a lot of different colors here. Alright, what else? We got some stickers and we have a guidebook to show us how to set up the GigBAR bar, you know? So, guidebook. And what else we got here? We have a battery. They give us a little battery here. Very small battery. Very, very small. To be honest, first time I see a little battery like this. A little gold battery. Wow. Alright, so let's keep the move on. We have the plug for the GigBAR bar. We have two brackets. Metal brackets, and we have two rubber washer with two plastic screws, metal screws with plastic heads. That's what we got here. So two metal screws with plastic heads and rubber washers. Okay. That seems to be all in this box. Alright, so now we are going to check out this part right here. And I think this part right here is a tripod. So let's get down the list and see what's going on. So this right here is your tripod. This is really cool that the tripod comes in a bag like that. Nice canvas bag. Yeah, cool. It's got the Chauvet DJ symbol on the side of it. It's really cool. Yeah, nice bag, nice canvas bag. And let's go inside it. Let's see what's going on. Check out the tripod. Here's a cool little bag. And this is your tripod right here. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful tripod. Come with a little key right here. I guess that's the lock it on, you know. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see what's going on. Whoa, it's got a really cool height. I like that. Yeah. You can lock it right here. Nice. That is cool. Yeah, that is really cool. So the tripod got a really nice height. Let me take it back down a little bit. Gonna leave it right there for now. Alright, let's get the GigBAR bar and put it on and see. Okay. So this bar. Right here. It's not much to this thing at all. It's already set up for you. Let's lift my camera up here. Make sure I get that right. Cool. Alright, so we're looking at the GigBAR bar from Chauvet DJ GigBAR bar 2. Let's get some power in. We have a power cord here. Yeah, let's connect it up and see. Back here That's where you can connect it. Just push it back there, and that's it. We're gonna run some power to it. GigBAR bar 2. Alright. Yo, didn't we see something just flash? Yo, hold up. Press that forward button there. Yeah. Lights. Lights on, lights on, lights on, lights. Yeah. GigBAR bar, do anything. For real. Yo. No doubt you gain on. See how you make the lights do? Gain on bad for real. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Gain on. You can hear the motor in the back there performing, yeah? But trust me, the vibes. Yeah, let me turn on that shutter fog. Nice. Yeah. Nice. I love it. Woo. Yeah, boy, vibes are vibes. What? That vibes wicked. Trust me. GigBAR bar getting on. Getting on bad too. And getting on real bad. Yo, trust me. I'm loving it. I'm like a fog machine do anything. I tell her right there. And that's the GigBAR bar. Do anything. Getting on bad. Yeah, fog machine. Throw some fog in the air and you see the lights getting on. Yeah. So soon I'll be playing with all the functions and see how we do, you know, and what he does. But for now, just gonna show you guys straight from the box. This is what happened. Yeah, straight from the box. No doubt. It's really cool. The lasers working. All the lights is really flashing nice. Yep. Now we can easily just raise them up. Put them up in the air. It's cool. Yep. So far, I like it. Nice. Wow. Yeah, the fog machine turn it up for real. Alright, so you're running. Let's try auto. This is auto. So the remote is working real cool. I like that. Yeah, the remote working really cool. Nice vibes. Auto running good. So this is auto just doing his thing. Just going back and forth, you know. Doing his thing. So you're running through all the cycles here. I like that. Yeah, that is cool. Yeah, it's pretty bright. Yeah, really bright. And let's see, we have a high. I like to get brighter.
Not crazy. Yeah.
Fine?
I think.
Or you just moving faster? Or like to speed it up? Okay. Wow. Gain on.
What? He's sticking.
Yeah. You doing some vibes or what? Alright, I gotta turn that camera to see on the wall what he does. That'll be nice. Yeah, I like how he's spotting up on everything. You know, crazy. Crazy Daisy, man. Put them down on the ground, you know. Anywhere you want them to be. We'll go for it. Put it backwards, you know. I like that one backward, one forward. So two could go back, you know. Cool vibes. I try auto. I auto do anything. Yeah, why am I bright? Don't she? I'm gonna get mad. Mad lights. I'm gonna slow him though. Real nice. Yeah. like it? Yeah, I can't stop liking it. Alright, so this is the Gig BAR from Chauvet DJ. Yeah, Gig BAR 2. So this is the vibes here. You guys don't know. Alright, just doing some shots here. Yeah, that's right. I don't know how we go.
Big lights, I'm not seeing that it's not good. I'm just seeing right from to break for me.
Yeah, the break